Hello, hello. Welcome back again for a abundant life adventure on the high seas. We had the pleasure of a 6 day cruise, and this is the last full day. 6 days, and we after 6 days we decided we need to share some tips with everyone. Uh, Don and I, this is our ninth cruise, and this is my sister Jennifer's first cruise. So you get to hear some points from both perspectives. So we gonna put a timer on. We're gonna do a 10-minute video and talk about each one for maybe 2 minutes. And as one of my other RV YouTubers says, you're gonna get what you get. But we do believe you'll be glad you stayed to the end. We're going to give you 5 wonderful steps to make your trip enjoyable and safe. Hi, again, introducing myself. I'm Marie, and
I'm Jennifer.
and
I'm Donald.
so we're going to start with five first and work our way down to one. Number one, got the timer on? Okay. Number one, uh, charging issues. And what we mean by charging, electrical charging issues. So I'm going to open it up. I think Don probably want to talk about this a little bit because he's been having to deal with this.
Yeah, we have a heavy extension cord that has three prongs on it that you can plug up to. I think that would have been ideal to have instead of this little lightweight cord. So that would have been a better cord, a heavier extension cord. I say 6 feet long. Yeah, about 6 feet long. Three plugs up to it.
Only one place to charge your phone. So we have to keep taking turns charging the phone. So that's one issue. And then Don has a CPAC machine, which makes us have to unplug everything pretty much at night so he can have a CPAC machine. So charging is the issue. And when we go around the ship, there's not many places to charge.
So if you got a power pack, bring the power pack with you. That would help with the telephones. Yeah.
Also on Amazon, there's a heavy duty mini one that has at least 4 outlets on there with the 3 prongs. And I have that in my office that holds a lot of heavy weighted machinery. So if you can just get, it's real small, it's about that small, and it's real short, and it's a power bank for a lot of outlets.
Yeah.
That would have helped too. A power bank to carry around.
We can leave it charged. We can leave it charging up even when we're not in the room.
Yes. Okay, the other thing is the Carnival app. The Carnival app, it was very beneficial with us having 2 rooms and to be able to communicate. But our ultimate backup was the telephone line. So if the person's in the room, you can contact them. So, but the app is very helpful. It did quite a few things that we thoroughly enjoyed. Y'all want to tell a couple of things that it did?
Um, the app was good to a point when the internet, the Wi-Fi was working kind of okay. But make sure when you wake up in the morning, restart your Wi-Fi. That means you can either go in and select the Wi-Fi again or reboot your phone, because my sister and I, we were saying, girl, I didn't get your message to 2 o'clock, and that what she did at 8. So we had to remember to just uh asset our Wi-Fi, our ship Wi-Fi, to get it. But other than that, it was beautiful because we could add on activities with someone else without having to talk about it. We'll see they on it. We'll say, okay, I think about it. I'll get on it too.
And it helps us to communicate where to meet up with each other there, or what location that we're gonna meet up at. So that's a big help. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it also give you your account summary,
Yeah.
and in different locations, a map for you to look at the location of your activity. You just have to make sure that you download it while you're at home, but you cannot access it till you get on the ship.
True.
Yeah, I definitely say the app is worth it. They will charge you a $5 fee, but it's definitely worth the $5. And if you already have some kind of credit, then you're just using your credit. All right. Okay, so we've gone to five was electrical charge. Four was the app, Carnival app. Three is the shuttle. Oh my goodness. That was wonderful to take that shuttle from the parking lot. We did the economic lot B, I believe it was, and that was very convenient. So I'm gonna tell you the part I love. I love the fact that you can drive up from straight down Broadway, the main street, to 33rd Street, turn left onto 33rd. It takes you straight. 33rd Street takes you straight to the parking lot. You miss any kind of traffic on that Harborside Street. Then you get on the shuttle, and the shuttle will take you with your luggage to the terminal. And right when you get off, the porter takes your suitcases for you. So just wonderful. Just simply wonderful. Anything else y'all might want to say? There was a charge for it. The charge was $147 for this 6 day cruise, and you can do it all online. And you can print out or either bring your phone with the barcode code, um, and it will. It was easy, just easy peasy. So next is the mobility issue. Since Dunn and I are getting to that age where
We're senior citizens.
we get to that age where
We all senior citizens.
yeah, sitting here. But cruising is so much fun when you prepare. So um, be prepared that there's walking involved. So even though maybe 2 years ago you were fine with your walking and able to do this and that, just consider how huge these ships are and how far you're gonna have to maybe go to dining. Like for us, we were at the end of the ship. We had to go all the way to the forward part of the ship for dining, and that would have been nice to have a scooter. So I'm gonna let Don talk about that a little bit. The thought of next time what he will do.
Try to get a scooter that would fold up, and by me needing some type of assistance walking with a walking cane, we can kind of not stand in those long lines, catch the elevator there, and we normally would go ahead of a lot of that foot traffic. So,
Okay, so the 5 steps coming down to number one. Uh, Step five, charging electrical charging issues. We've covered that. Four, the Carnival app. We've covered that. Shuttle is very convenient. We've covered that. Mobility issues. We covered that. And the number one issue, watch your steps. Oh my goodness. So my sister, she had a situation at the beginning that scared me seriously. When you these The rooms are beautiful, the rooms are small. They are not all. If it's not labeled handicap or mobility, whatever.
But they forgot to label this one. Watch your step.
The restroom, the bathroom. When you walk in, you're gonna probably be in a hurry to get there because you know it took you a minute to get to your room or you're tired. But please pay attention to the step into the bathroom. That's the number one thing we want to share with everyone. Safety tip. Be careful, please, with this step when you're going into the restroom. And if you have a balcony, there's another step at going out. Then walking down our hallways, they got little dips. They call them waves or whatever. So sometimes going up can be an issue. Then if you got knee issues and going down, because they go up and then they go down, then they go up and they go down. So all those little things like they're going through different doorways and hallways.
What's on the floor?
Coming into the place, I don't know. We didn't really notice a whole lot there, but on the ship, you still have to be careful. Okay. Once again, thanks for coming along. I'm gonna let them see and say any closing remarks, but thanks for coming along.
I had a wonderful time after that incident. My sister don't know me. I when I pay for something, I'm going to enjoy it. But she is watch where you're walking, because some things are not labeled, and that was a rude awakening for me. But I enjoyed it. 7 days on the water, well deserved.
With me, make sure you got Pepto Bismol or Liquid Magnesium in your suitcase. Cause I did have some stomach problems there, so it's best to have your medicine kit well prepared there.
We could have made that another tip. Have a little mini medicine cabinet. Thank you for coming along for another Abundant Life adventure with Don and Marie here on the seas on a Carnival cruise, the ship named the Dream. We know these 5 tips will make your next trip very enjoyable and it will keep you safe. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your prayers. And thank you for your comments. It gives us a chance to communicate with one another. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments. I will gladly respond back. As I've said before, you have to end one adventure to start a new.